Handmade origami paper bags are a great way to show love and affection to a special person. You can make paper bags from craft paper, printer paper, or any other scrap paper lying around in your home. It is also a great skill to learn and teach to your little ones. Origami bags allow you to personalize each bag according to the occasion or recipient. Let's learn to make a simple paper bag with a few papers, scissors, marker, scale, and glue. Place one paper in landmark orientation and draw a straight line on the right side of the paper, leaving 1 centimeter from the border. Hold the left side of the paper and fold it along the line you drew a moment ago. Flat the fold crease by applying some pressure along the fold line. Apply some glue on the right side of the line you draw. It is the part that is not covered by paper. Fold this part over the paper's edge right next to the line. Apply some pressure to ensure that both papers hold together firmly. Fold the paper inwards and then outwards, as shown in the video. This will act as the base of the bag. Now hold the edges of the folded side and open them. Follow the directions in the video to make the base of the paper. Apply glue on one edge of the paper and fold it inwards, as illustrated here. Now apply glue on the other edge and fold it similarly. Apply some pressure on the folded sides so the glue holds them together nicely. Hold one longer side of the paper and fold it exactly as shown in the video. The fold must be around 1 centimeter. Do the same for the other side. Now open these folds. Turn over the paper and repeat this step for both sides. Make sure you fold the paper along the previous fold crease. These folds will add beauty to the overall outlook of the bag. Hold the open side of the paper with one hand and the bottom with the other. Gently pull the two sides apart and make space at the bottom. Be careful, as any firmness can rip the paper apart. Straighten out the edges on the sides carefully. Push the middle line inwards and then pull the sides out. This creates the typical look you see in commercial gift bags. Your bag's body is now ready. It is time to attach handles and customizations. You can cut the bag if you like or skip this step. To cut the bag, grab your scale and draw a line at the point where you want to cut the bag. Use scissors to trim the bag. Cutting the bag has some advantages. It makes it easier to put in stuff and reduces the load on paper ribbons. Take the second paper and draw 2 circles to make Tweety's eyes. You can go for any other customization, like your favorite cartoon character, someone's name, a sticker, or a personalized message. The Tweety gives the bag a unique and different look. Follow the directions in the video to make Tweety's eyes. Cut the eyes using scissors. Draw 2 straight lines on a paper to make ribbons for the bag. Cut the paper along the straight lines. Make sure you cut precisely, as the bag's outlook depends on how well you cut the ribbons. Use glue to affix Tweety eyes in the center of the bag. Keep an appropriate distance between the two so the eyes don't look creepy. Apply some glue on the ends of ribbon strips and affix them to the inside of the bag. The bag is now ready. Please note that this bag is delicate and will not hold heavy things. Use the marker to draw a nose and eyebrows for the Tweety. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the video. Subscribe to our channel to stay updated on all our latest origami updates.